last few videos have been about our recent travels to Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. We've actually visited the island twice in the last 6 months and had a great time. In this video, we are going to give you a tour of the oceanfront hotel that we stayed in for several days a few months ago, called the Sonesta Resort Hilton Head. We will provide a tour of our room as well as all the public spaces, discuss the activities and dining options available here, and show you the resort's beach access as well. Here is the front desk where we checked in. And this is the view down into the lobby from the floor that our room was on. There were a number of different seating options in the lobby. Here you see the lobby's coffee bar with some grab-and-go breakfast options. On the other side of that was the lobby bar. The lobby and its bar were packed one night of our stay as a hurricane was hitting Florida and a bunch of Floridians had come up the coast and stayed here in the hotel. The other days of our stay weren't too crowded since this was the off-season. Here is the lobby gift shop called Pearl's Market. They have a mixture of beachwear and other clothing, Hilton Head souvenirs, and items that may be useful during your stay.
Now here's our room on the 3rd floor. As you enter the room, the bathroom door is on the left. We were given an accessible room, so the bathroom had grab bars and a walk-in shower with a bench to sit on, but no curtain or door. That will be very helpful for people with mobility or balance issues. From what we saw in photos on their website though, rooms that are not accessible won't have the grab bars and they will have shower curtains. As you leave the bathroom, there's a nook with an iron, a hairdryer, a bit of hanging space, a laptop-sized safe, and a luggage rack. There was another nook that had an ice bucket, $6 Evian waters, a Keurig, and a mini fridge. This is a deluxe 2-queen bed room. There's a nightstand in the middle between the beds with some outlets to charge your devices, as well as the room's phone. There is one drawer in the nightstand, but above that is a slide-out extension that gives you more tabletop room on the nightstand if you need it. There's a dresser with a flat panel TV above it. The dresser has about 8 drawers, but also a cabinet you can open, which looks like where they used to store the refrigerator, but now you could stash a few smaller bags in there. Our room had a balcony with a great roof view. You of course can pay extra for a pool view, or even more for a beach view. Now our tour heads out to the pool area. There's a lot of comfortable seating in the patio area. This is the main pool. It's a zero entry pool, so you can walk down a gentle slope into the water instead of using the ladders at the other end. A few yards away from the main pool is the adults-only pool. This area is a bit quieter and has a roof over it, providing some shade from the sun. This area also has an adults-only hot tub. There's also a 24-hour fitness center with cardio machines and free weights, as well as a spa that offers a wide range of treatments to calm the mind and lift the soul, according to the website. I wouldn't know. There are a number of activities for all ages going on at the resort. Some of them only take place during peak summer season, but we did see a number of things going on during our stay in the fall, like the craft center where families could work on making crafts together for a small fee. There's also a tent near the pool area where you can rent beach chairs, beach umbrellas, and even a bike, which you can ride right along the beach, thanks to the island's hard-packed sand. The resort also works with a company where you can rent kayaks, boats, and paddle boards, as well as sign up for boating tours or fishing charters.
The grounds outside as you make your way toward the beach are beautiful. There is some seating around a fire pit, and another seating area on a deck overlooking a lagoon. There are some hammocks scattered across the property. We cross a boardwalk along the lagoon and we pass an outdoor games area with a ping pong table and a couple sets of cornhole boards as well. We keep walking and come to a pavilion that can be rented for special events. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please click the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more travel content. I really appreciate the support. One of my favorite things about this resort is that every day in the afternoon, there was a talk about the sea turtles who visit each year during nesting season. They also provide food so you can feed the turtles who live in the lagoon. The island's sea turtle season lasts from May through October each year. Female loggerhead sea turtles, which are at least 30 years old and weigh about 400 pounds, return to the very same beach where they were born. They crawl up onto the sand and dig a nest in the sand at night when the temperatures are cooler, and they lay up to 120 eggs, then cover them up and return to the water. The Hilton Head community seeks to protect the nest until the hatchlings finally emerge at nighttime about 60 days later and instinctively crawl out to the ocean to begin their lives. All sea turtles are endangered species, so it's very important for communities where sea turtles nest to take care of them, and there are signs all over the resorts and the beaches on the island explaining this fact. It was cool to learn about the island's sea turtle nesting season and to get to see and feed the turtles that are living in the lagoon. From the Turtle Lagoon, it's just a short walk out to the resort's private access to the beach. Even in the cooler autumn temperatures, there were still people playing in the waves. Hilton Head has some beautiful beaches. We have a video about that in our Hilton Head Island playlist. We feel like the best way for visitors to experience the beaches is at an oceanfront resort like this one. You won't need to drive away from your hotel and search for parking at one of the island's 7 public beaches. You can just walk right out of your hotel and onto the sand. Now let's talk about the resort's dining options. Their main restaurant is the Seacrest Restaurant, which is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We had breakfast here, which features a buffet. It was priced at $23 at the time of our visit. All the usual breakfast staples are on the buffet: eggs, bacon, sausage, oatmeal, cereal, bagels, bread, fruit, breakfast potatoes, French toast, and more. You can even get an omelet made fresh by a chef at the omelet station. If you don't want a buffet, you can order off the menu. My mom was traveling with us, and she ordered biscuits and gravy off the menu for $15. The dish came with 2 eggs, prepared however you'd like. This was a solid breakfast, but not anything amazing.
After a big breakfast, we weren't feeling hungry enough for a full lunch. But later that afternoon, we wanted something to snack on before dinner time rolled around. So we stopped by the pool bar and got an order of island fries to split. These were fries with Cajun seasoning and ranch and cheese sauce for $9. The seasoning was so good that I didn't use cheese sauce or ranch or ketchup. I just ate the seasoned fries plain and loved them. Alice thought the seasoning was a little too spicy. She couldn't take the heat. But trust me, they were great. Alice's mom ordered a raspberry cheesecake chimichanga for $6. This was breaded, fried cheesecake covered in cinnamon and sugar and drizzled in raspberry sauce. She loved it, and she let me have a bite, and I loved it too. Alice doesn't like cheesecake, so don't ask her. We got a couple of adult beverages. I ordered the banana colada, which was a pina colada with banana rum for $13. I love banana and love pina coladas, so this was great. Alice got the rum runner featuring coconut rum, banana rum, island oasis strawberry, and creme de cassis, also for $13.
That night, we went back to Seacrest Restaurant for dinner. Here is the menu. You can pause the video if you want a better look at it all. We went into this meal not very excited after looking at the menu, but we wanted to try it to report back to you. So here is our review. I ordered a Carolina rum runner for $13. Jack just drank a soda. I ordered a she crab soup for $8. I'm a big fan of she crab soup, and I really liked it here. For my entree, I ordered shrimp and grits featuring jumbo shrimp and smoked Gouda grits with a side of broccolini for $16. All of my food was delicious. My mom just ordered a salad with grilled shrimp, which she asked for on the side instead of on the salad, for $23. Jack ordered a blackened grouper in a red pepper cream sauce with red beans and rice and broccolini for $32. He had never had grouper before, but he loved this dish. It was actually his favorite meal of the trip. For dessert, Jack and I split a mixed berry cobbler, and it was so good. We ended up very glad that we had dinner here, even though we started out unenthusiastically, because all of our food was delicious. We loved this resort. It was so good. We did notice a bit of wear on some furniture, but everything was clean. They had a great location right on the beach. They had some good dining options and cool activities. On the weekend we stayed here in fall of 2024, we paid $227 a night plus taxes and fees. During peak summer season, rooms start at around $375 a night and go up to over $1,000 a night for a suite. You can save a few dollars by joining Sonesta's Travel Pass membership program. It's free to join, and you can start saving on your bookings at Sonesta properties immediately. Click the link at the end of this video for our Hilton Head Island playlist to see more of what we love about the island. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so we can see you the next time we're traveling through.